What's that? What's this? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Friday, January 17th, and the time is it's after 9. I woke up after 8 because I was tired, because I went to bed late as usual, because I was trying to upload the other video, the previous vlog that you would have seen before this one. If you haven't seen it, I say you can go ahead and watch it after you watch this video. So I woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, had my devotion, spread my bed, and now I'm gonna do some home workout with Grow with Joe. So if you watched my channel before, you would have seen about 2 years ago or so or more, I went on a weight loss journey. I lost a couple pounds, and now I'm attempting it again. Well, at that time I had paid some persons to help me because they have a group and stuff like that, but now I'm doing it fully on my own. Not perfect, of course, but I'm trying to, you know, incorporate some exercise in my daily life. Initially when I started off around last year August or so, last year October, so I used to do like 5 days a week, but you know, I drop off. So I haven't exercised from week. As I said, it's Friday, but me not gonna say, oh, me wait till Monday to start fresh. No, procrastination. No, I'm starting where I am. So what I try to do, even if I don't exercise for the entire week, if I have 1 day out of the week, for most of the week, if it's even 1 day out of the week, I exercise. I try to do that until me can, you know, pick up back. So yeah, I'm gonna exercise now, and then I'm gonna make breakfast, finish the form that I mentioned in the previous video that I need to print and stuff like that. So yeah, and I'm gonna go to the supermarket as well. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys, so stay around for the rest of the video. Guys, you see my face shine? After I brush my teeth and wash my face, I put a little castor oil on it. So let me know if you've used that before on your face. I use it once. I have like one little drop I made a couple months ago, and me just have a little bit leave, and from time to time I'll put a little bit in my hand and rub it on my face. So that's why my face to shine. The guys, because I've started to use her basically every day when we go on YouTube, our videos are being recommended. So as you can see, I've watched this one, I've done this one already, but the main one, so I try to mix them up, but not so much, especially if I want just a quick workout. Why is this caption on? Anyways, I'm gonna go to her other video. This is the main one that I use to work out. This one, do this every morning. Yeah, that one, 20 minutes. That's the one that I'm gonna work out to. 221 calories in 20 minutes. She's very good, guys. So you can so girl, you're in for the, you can definitely mute her. You can definitely check her out. She's very popular. So I'm sure if everyone on her maybe know about her, 6.8 million views. So yeah, I love her workouts, and it kind of encourage me to push, even though I'm not consistent sometimes. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and let's do this.
12 ingredients or less. So we're gonna keep it simple, we're gonna keep it healthy, we're gonna keep it delicious, and you're gonna reach your goals. You can check it out for free for 7 days. Are you ready to crush this thing and feel amazing afterwards? Then girl, let's do this! down for your day. You're done working out today. Make sure to cool down. Cooling down is so important. This is going to help you recover.
Guys, look at that. That feels so good. Whoo, child. What's that? What sweat? Alright guys, now that I'm done with my workout, as I said, I'm gonna make breakfast. My battery is low, so I won't be able to show you much. It's at 15%. I can't even turn on the flash on the phone to show you how it low. Because I plugged in the phone last night, and I say when I wake up this morning, I say how the phone no alarm. When I realize it's turned off and it's charging at 10%, literally. So I need to charge it because I'm still go up on the road. Yeah. Second batch. Porridge is done. I'm gonna sweeten it now. It's oats porridge. Alright guys, I'm ready to go. So I'm wearing this blouse from my previous Shein haul. You can check out that video after this one. But as I mentioned in the video, it's kind of big, so I am kind of pushing it like this. And then you can see like this. I think it looks better that way. So this blouse from Shein. This is a bag from Shein. These jeans are from a local store here in Jamaica. And these shoes, me can't have to move the camera. Alright, maybe I have to. And then these shoes, Reebok. Reebok Classic. Let me see if we can show now. Reebok Classic. So, I actually have two of these. So, back the camera. Yeah, so I actually have two of these shoes. The first one, my husband bought it for my birthday about 2 years ago or so. So it I get old now and whatever. And then this one, this is a little bit bigger than the other one. So I actually bought this and a white Puma for my husband on Amazon. So I bought this on Amazon. However, when it came, it's too small. So I ended up getting it. Because I did want it to work, you know. So we need to buy back one next black shoes. See, I have other black shoes, but you know, I wear them. So, yeah. So I end up have two of the same shoes. Just that this side, this one is a bit bigger. The first one, he bought it in Jamaica. This one, bought it on Amazon. Basically, same exact shoes. And it's much cheaper. What we paid for the two shoes is less. And a Puma brand. And it's a Reebok brand. What we pay for the two shoes is less than what he paid for the one Reebok out here. So anyways, but you know, see, so out here stay. Yeah, so big up Amazon. So anyways, I'm gonna leave now. I need to put on my watch. Not even charge. I'm still wearing. I'm my husband buy. I'm not a watch person. I don't recall ever buying a watch for myself. But through my husband buy, I like, you know, another regular one with nothing on it, just plain like that. It's a smartwatch, so I can make calls on it so, but I don't make calls on it actually. So yeah, that's that. I him normally charge it, but he don't really charge it for me again, because instead you might come and charge me phone, if you charge me watch. But like in my compare phone to watch. But anyways, that's that. I'm gonna leave out now. I'll try to see how much I can vlog while I'm on the road, and then I close out the video. There, it's dead, you know. Bye. Guys, me actually feel hungry. Ooh, I'm leaving my key. Even though me and him might come home same time. I actually feel hungry, guys. I feel like I leave something. Guys, me actually feel hungry. I feel like I go buy one patty or something on the road. Because I don't want to buy nothing too much. Because I have my Thursday, Friday if I go eat dinner that I cooked in the previous video. What am I leaving? I have my shopping bag. I don't think I'm leaving anything. Just feel like I leave something. Guys, and then dog here. I know my dog them, you know. But them literally come in the yard. Well, I think my neighbor, her sister, did give her one. But about 4 or 5 of them in the yard. And it's not our dogs. They're the most darks. And then them love run after people. And something. Watch them. So people always say, oh, anytime something happen, oh no, I forgot to pay. Me say, well, obviously I don't want to harm to nobody, but and then my dog, so I can't pay for them and them and drink. So they might follow me go up her, but honestly, I'm not fond of dogs. I'm not a dog person at all. Yeah. Sun hot. For the photo studio, I don't even want to use the one here though. So guys, they gave me a black shirt to put on. I wanna look church out though. They gave me blouse in here. Say guys, we come out now. The people them black shirt. Well, we never fully come out. We just come out in a black shirt. Hello.
Oh.
Well, and I like we live safely.
Oh, you're not living the same place? Okay.
No.
No problem.
But I'll tell her
When you see her, you
I
talk
hear
to
for her,
Yeah.
from her, yeah.
What kind of apps is that one? So I'm not using that.
Hey, Brianna. Alright, guys, so I got these printed. So, I think I'm gonna collect the picture. No, may I get something for you and I'm gonna collect the picture of them. Let's see, because them to them like 4:30, so I know I'm gonna late. And then right one this side. I didn't think that it's full grape, but it's a canned grape, but it's fine.
What do you do? What do you do?
Eh?
What do you do?
Chair. Your payan. That's a focus just the thing go. Mother look at tight up shortly. You see him? Take it up around to that. There is a pumpkin. It's around 10 minutes that water. I've been buying these ones from the other day. Like me cook this morning, me use this morning. So what I do is that I use this, the old fashioned, put it in there first, and then I put the instant oats after. Let me take down the whole box. Only need 2. There's a baked bean. Where's the gross baked bean? Guys, I blind me blind. Why me not see grace baked bean? I'm not seeing it. Guys, I'm not seeing the grace baked bean. Blind. Mercy Eve, miracle. No grace. I can't be so blind. It's my second time buying this bread. Today how much? It said January 20. Today is the 17th. This date is too close. January 23. Alright, that sounds better. But the second time I see it, I bought it last week. Because I not see the next bread. Alright, so it's 20, so I'm gonna take that. That's the bill.
Funny in here now.
Alright guys, so we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me show you the receipt. So the total was $6,700. Yeah, $6,700. Let me show you what I bought. I can pause the video. Yeah, $6,700 for 2 local items. But yeah, I'm currently waiting on my husband. I'm in the bus waiting on him because he's at the barber, and then we're gonna go home. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I think it's gonna be a bit lengthy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.